Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Deviana Aziza and I am class 2B nursing student at Aisyah University Bandung. And today I will explain to you about tips and trick listening part B on the TOEFL test. So let's learn together. Okay, now we're going to tips 1. If you have the time, preview the answer to the listening part B question. While you are looking at the answer, you should try to anticipate the question for each of the groups of the answer. Okay, next tips 2. Listen carefully to the first line of the conversation. The first line of the conversation often contains the main idea, subject or topic of the conversation, and you often be asked to answer such question. Okay, next tips 3. As you listen to the conversation, follow along with the answer in your textbook and try to determine the correct answer. Detailed questions are generally answered in order in the conversation, and the answer often sound the same as what is said on the recording. Okay, now tips 4. You should guess even you are not sure. Okay, now the last tips. Use any remaining time to look ahead the answer to the question that follow. Okay, we have known about tips for listening part B. And now we're going to tricks 1. Tricks 1 is the question. In this trick, we have to think about what questions are suitable for the answer in the textbook. The example for tricks 1 are questions like what, when, where, why, who, and how. So if we look the example here, the number 1 is the answer like in the afternoon, so at night, so in the morning. There are show about the time. Then the suitable question for this answer is when. Okay, next to number 2. Number 2, the answer like next to picnic table, so on picnic table, under picnic table. The answer is show about place. So the suitable question for this answer is where. Okay, next tricks. Now tricks 2. Tricks 2 is the topic. The topic is since the first one or two sentences generally give the topic. You should be asking yourself what the topic is while you are listening carefully to the first part of the conversation. Okay, now the last trick. The last trick is the order of the answer. The question is related to the question in the textbook, so we must listen carefully so that we can answer the question correctly. Maybe enough from me. I hope this will be useful for you all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.